Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about something really cool, that is the lambda functions in Python. These are very super short and one line functions perfect for when you need quick logic. So let's get started with our VS Code quickly. Let's make a file by the name lambda.py over here. Basically, what are the lambda functions? Lambda functions. Lambda functions, in short, if I call, these are the one-liner functions. These are the one-liner functions, and you can say these are the anonymous functions. Anonymous functions. Anonymous functions, which means it has no name. We use it for short and simple operations without writing a full function using the def. Okay, so how we were writing the so firstly I will tell you the syntax. Syntax is like lambda. Here I will use arguments, and here I will use expression. Right, here I will use expression. This is a syntax. This is the syntax of lambda functions. So how we were doing earlier by using the def function. Let's say if I am making def double function over here, def double function over here, it will return me the double of the number, as its name suggests, x multiplied 2 basically. And if I print here the double of 5, if I print here the double of 5, then if I run this, if I just run this, you can see 10 is printed over here. But what if we use lambda over here? Now how to use lambda in this case? I will just make a variable named double, which will have a lambda function because there is no name associated with it, lambda, and then arguments is only one over here, and then the expression is x multiplied by 2. Okay, now I will just print double and 5. Let's run this part of code, and you can see that the output is quite same, but the length of code has been reduced. Here you can see that the 3 lines of code is used, and here you can see that only 2 lines of code is used. Same operation but fewer lines. So which one is better? Lambda function is better here. But what if we have to use lambda with the multiple arguments, right? I will just focus on lambda now. Now if I have to make a variable add means it is going to add 2 numbers, so I will make 2 arguments here, a, and next argument will be b, and here if the expression is a plus b, then if I need 5,3 over here, let me run this code, and you can see that 8 is the output. Right, so this is how we use lambda functions. These are quite simple functions, easy to use functions, and only one liner function if I want to say. Then why we use lambda functions? Because we don't need to give them a name like def, the function name, etc. We don't need to give them a name. They are the anonymous functions. They're great for short functions because they are one liner, and most useful when used inside other functions like map, filter, and sorted. We will see in the further videos like how map, filter, and sorted works with the lambda functions basically. And the important note about this function is lambda functions are best used for the one-liner operations and for temporary logic and functions passed as an argument. Don't use lambda when your logic needs the multiple lines and loops or better readability. Use def instead. For better readability, use def instead. That's why we use def. We didn't hear about the lambda functions earlier. We use def for a better readability. And in summary, I just want to say that lambda creates anonymous functions. There is no name given to the functions basically. Syntax is given here in the third line. You can see lambda, arguments, and expression. This is the syntax, and I have given some examples over here too. and it is used with the functions like map, filter or sorted, which I will tell you in the further videos. Now that you have learned lambda functions, you are ready to see them in action with the Python's map function. And that's it for this video. I hope I have made clear lambda function to you, and thank you guys for watching this video till here. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.